All right, today we're going to be making a paper plate Santa. The materials needed for this project are any red and white paper. Some scrap wrapping paper works well, and it can be any design. Some white paper and some green, and we're just using some small scraps. A small paper plate, a black and green marker, can be pens, crayons, scissors, and glue. Let's get started. Here's Patsy.
To start with, we're going to turn our paper plate over and draw around just the edge to make the hat. After we've done that, we'll cut it out. And this is just a piece of scrap paper. You can use any size of paper plate that you have. Today I've chosen a small one. And we'll glue that to the top of the paper plate. Now, to make this part, we'll use a piece of white paper, and we're just going to draw some wavy lines across, like this. That makes the bottom of Santa's hat. We'll cut it out, and then we're ready to glue that on to the top. I need a little bit more glue here. Now we'll put this between the hat and the face. Cut off the edges to make them fit. Now the next thing we're going to do is draw the mustache. And again, the mustache is just a series of lines like this. I start with a little circle, make it curve up, or you may want to make it curve down. Then I'm going to cut that out, and I will glue that in the middle to make the mustache. Now the next thing I'm going to do is the little red nose. I'll draw a little red nose and a mouth, which is just a U with a line because we want to make him smile. Then I will cut that out, and I'm ready to glue it on. A little glue there. And don't worry if you get a little more glue than you need. It'll dry clear and it won't show. And the mouth. Now, the next thing is we want to make the holly leaves, and that's why I have the little scrap of green, and I'm going to show you on the white how we draw holly leaves. I just make a point from here to here, and you do a wavy line and curve it out, draw a line in the middle, and you've made a holly leaf. So I'm going to make two of them together. Like this, and then I'm ready to cut them out. And after I'm going to glue them onto the hat. Just adds a little detail. Then the next thing I'm going to do is draw 3 little round circles for the berries. I'll cut those out, and I'll glue those right at the end of my holly. Now, the next thing I want to do is make the eyes. Now you can make Santa's eyes open or closed. I'm just going to do that with my marker by making some round lines. Give him some eyelashes. Then I'm ready for the beard. Now to make the beard, we're going to cut from one side of the cap to the other, and we're going to cut all the way to this indentation here. We'll start and we'll cut like this all the way around until we've cut and it looks like this. And our Santa's finished. Thank you for watching today.